Rental income in the statement of profit or loss. XYZ, a limited liability company, receives rent for subletting part of its office premises to a number of tenants. In the year ended 31 December 20X7, XYZ received cash of $79,650 from its tenants. Details of rent in advance and in arrears at the beginning and end of 20X7 are as follows. 31 December, 20X7, 20X6. Rent received in advance, 20X7, $7,100. 20X6, $6,150. Rent owing by tenants, 20X7, $4,575. 20X6, $4,225. What figure for rental income should be included in the statement of profit or loss of XYZ 20X7? Rental income amount. Opening rent owing, $4,225. Rent income balancing figure, $79,050. Closing rent in advance, $7,100. Total, $90,375. Opening rent in advance, $6,150. Cash received, $79,650. Closing rent owing, $4,575. Total, $90,375.